Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, with 155,000 miles and a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck features a purple exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. It is a regular cab, short bed, 2WD model powered by a 305 V8 engine, offering a solid and reliable driving experience. Comfort features include working air conditioning, bucket seats, and a tilt steering wheel. The suspension has been professionally lowered with a 4/6 drop, giving the truck a clean and aggressive stance. It is equipped with a tonneau cover and roll pan, adding to its smooth, custom look. The paint has been done recently and still looks great, and the truck sits on new tires mounted on chrome wheels. This Chevrolet runs and drives great and is ready for daily driving or weekend cruising. It comes with a clean Arizona title in the owner's name. Number 2. 1996 Dodge Ram 3500, price $9,900, equipped with the highly sought-after 12-valve Cummins turbo diesel engine, known for its durability and long-lasting performance. The truck has 266,000 original miles and comes with an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. It features a black exterior that gives it a classic, tough appearance, combined with a gray interior that remains functional and comfortable for daily or work use. This vehicle runs amazingly well and has been well maintained over the years. It has a clean title in hand and, as a 1996 diesel model, it does not require a smog check in the state of California. Overall, this Dodge Ram 3500 is a reliable and powerful truck, ideal for heavy-duty work, towing, or anyone looking for a proven diesel platform. Number 3. 1990 GMC Sierra, price $8,900, well-maintained gasoline-powered pickup with 200,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It comes with a clean title, and all mechanical and electrical components are functioning properly. The truck runs and drives well, making it a dependable option for daily use or weekend projects. The exterior stands out with its orange paint, which remains in nice condition and shows that the vehicle has been cared for over the years. The body presents well overall, complemented by great tires and nice wheels that enhance both appearance and driving stability. Inside, the interior is clean and well kept, offering a comfortable driving experience for its age. Additionally, the truck is equipped with a stereo system, adding convenience and entertainment. Number 4. 1990 GMC 1500, price $7,500. The vehicle has approximately 190,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission and a gasoline-powered V6 engine. It features a white exterior with a red interior. Despite its age and condition, the truck does run and drive and can be moved and operated without issue. However, it is clearly a project vehicle and will require additional work and repairs to bring it to a higher standard. This is not a like-new truck and should not be expected to perform or appear as a newer model. Some mechanical and cosmetic repairs are still needed, and the buyer should be prepared to continue working on the vehicle. This truck is best suited for someone looking for a project, a rebuild, or a restoration rather than a daily driver. The truck comes with a salvage title in hand, and the registration is current, with plates valid until March. Number 5. 2001 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000. This truck is powered by a 4.8L V8 engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission and 2WD with overdrive. It has 120,000 original miles and has been consistently maintained every 3,500 miles. The truck runs smoothly with no leaks or mechanical issues. It features original black paint and a clean gray cloth interior, both in excellent condition. The extended cab includes a full rear bench seat, along with cold AC, tilt steering wheel, power windows, and power door locks. The interior, exterior, and engine bay are exceptionally clean, and the truck retains its stock OEM AM/FM/CD stereo. Additional highlights include a clean OEM textured rhinoline bed, good tires with a spare, the original OEM jack, and a clean title. Overall, this Sierra drives exactly as it should and is a reliable, well-kept truck. Number 6. 1994 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,500, powered by a 6.5L turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic 4L80E transmission featuring a deep pan. The truck has approximately 171,000 miles and comes finished in an orange exterior with a tan interior. The interior is clean and complete, protected by brand new camo seat covers that were installed simply to keep the original tan cloth seats in good condition. All tires are in good shape and hold air properly. It is equipped with a 4-inch turboback exhaust and a heavy-duty Chevy 10.5-inch 14-bolt rear axle with a deep pan. The body is in great condition with no rust. The truck was running strong until recently, when the engine began to misfire, lost coolant, and now will not start. It cranks but does not fire. Included with the sale are 8 new fuel injectors, 8 glow plugs, valve cover gaskets, a turbo gasket, and an intake gasket.
Number 7.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, shows 224,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It is finished in a striking brilliant blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and it proudly retains its original patina paint, giving the truck a true classic look while remaining rust-free. Under the hood is the dependable 5.7L V8 engine, and the truck runs and drives well, making it a solid driver or an excellent candidate for preservation. It sits on new tires, providing added confidence on the road. The truck comes with a clean Texas title and the current owner's name and has been well kept in mostly original condition. It still features the factory R12 air conditioning system, which will need to be serviced, as well as the original factory radio that is fully functional.
Number 8.
1983 Chevrolet C10, price $4,500, it runs and drives well. The truck features a long bed body style with a two-wheel drive setup, making it a solid and reliable classic pickup for daily use or light hauling. It is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly and is paired with a 5.0-liter V8 engine. The engine is fitted with a 4-barrel carburetor, providing strong throttle response and classic V8 performance. Additionally, the dual exhaust system enhances both engine efficiency and sound, giving the truck a deep and powerful exhaust note. Overall, this C10 represents a straightforward and dependable vintage Chevrolet truck with a simple mechanical setup and timeless design.
Number 9.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $7,250, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by gasoline. It features a yellow exterior combined with a white interior, giving it a distinctive vintage appearance. The truck has been parked for several years and is currently not running. Under the hood, it is fitted with a 454 big block engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission. Overall, the vehicle remains in good condition for its age. It was repainted many years ago, and there are some areas where Bondo has been found, consistent with an older restoration. One tire has a slow leak but is able to hold air for about a day. The truck also includes an extra hood as part of the sale. Due to its non-running condition, the buyer must bring a trailer for transport.
Number 10.
1989 Dodge D250, price $5,500, showing approximately 197,000 miles. It is powered by a diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering dependable performance for both work and travel. The truck features a brown exterior with a tan interior and is set up for a cab-over camper, making it well suited for camping, hauling, or utility use. It runs very well overall, though it does have minor blow-by, which is common for its age. The air conditioning system is operational but will need a recharge, and the truck will also need a brake light switch replaced. It comes equipped with alloy wheels and tires with good tread, contributing to its solid road presence.